Hello there, nieces and nephews. This is your Uncle Bill. We're combining two things because Uncle Bill has a problem. I need to do both a video and I need to do some exercise and I need more money for Santa. Santa is a great guy and he needs more money to go into the sky so that Santa can deliver his toys this year. Stay tuned. I'm going to put on my hat like that, and then we're going to be on our way. I'm not going to rob the bank. I actually have an account there. Oh, I thought I had you all the way out. I guess I do. And it's not always healthy to go out walking. We got the helicopters over here. I don't know if you can see them. But anyways, they're looking for a shooter. Oh my. The things that Uncle Bill avoids in life. Getting shot. Anyways, that was a couple days ago and they still haven't found the person, but they suspect he might try to go get home. I heard this straight and skinny from one of my neighbors, and that's one of the nice things about having neighbors is the fact that you can always find out what the straight and skinny is from all of your neighbors.
Wait to cross Coronado Avenue at Thermal Avenue. Still
have that helicopter in the background, and I'm on the shady side of the street because I have the sun in my back. I don't know how badly, if you're even going to see my face, because I can't see it. So if I can't see it, you might not be able to see it. But there's all sorts of magical things that we can do in post-production. There's a couple of bicyclers over there, and I haven't gotten run over yet. But if we do get run over, guess what? We'll have it on film, and we'll use you all as witnesses. So stay tuned. We're having fun. We're having fun in the sun. And what have you gotten yourself for Christmas? Have you gotten anything exercise related? Good thing you got is a maxi climber, even though I'm not subsidized. Actually, none of the companies that I'm going to mention in the next 20 seconds, I'm subsidized by. You got maxi climber, that's a good thing to get. That costs a little bit. That's exercise related. You could download the storyboarder program. That also is good to get. That'll help you with your YouTube for planning things out. You could take a cooking class. I took a cooking class with the woman I was dating a while back, and we learned how to cook French crepes. Oh boy, that was a lot of fun. And cooking classes are fun. You could get a cooking class for you and your sweetie. Good things to do. Christmas is right around the corner, and guess what I'm going to be doing? I am going to go out camping because Christmas week is actually camp week. So I'm going to make sure that I'm camping not on Christmas Day, but Christmas week I will be camping because Christmas Day I think is the day before Friday, which is my video release. So I want to have everything in the can ready to go. My goal is to get it so that I have my videos so that they're a little bit more, what you could call it, less work. I got to get more comfortable on camera. I got to talk more to you, have some fun, so that you know that I'm talking to you, and the camera is your friend. Now I have another stop sign coming up, so I'm going to have to be careful going across this one, and it'll be fun. Get all your Christmas shopping done? That's good. All right, and across we go without getting killed. Oh, everybody's thinking about Christmas. I know I am. Except I know that there are 2 people over near where that helicopter is flying that aren't going to have Christmas this year. And some 15-year-old on drugs, from what I heard. Too bad. And I hope you don't mind that I'm sucking on a little bit of hard candy, because that's the only way Uncle Bill can keep his mouth from getting totally dry while exercising. And yes, walking, I walk fairly fast. My pace is about, it's slowed down some. I probably go a little under 3 miles an hour when I'm walking. My grandma, whoa, she was a fast walker. That was the one thing that I really, if there was only one thing that you could take away from 9/11, is the week that we had of silence, where there was, actually it was only about 2 or 3 days, but it was a full week of no commercial air. After about 2 days, we did get the military air going, so. And I'm almost up to the stoplights, where I'm gonna have to really pay attention. Be passing a power line here pretty soon. Wonder if that'll interfere with the reception on my microphone at all, because a lot of times these things do interfere with things. Wow, getting busy down here. We shall see. Time is money. Yep. Anyway. Hey, how you doing? Yeah! Have a good one. See you later. Well, maybe that's what I need to do. People like to be in the vlog. Yep. Well, keep from getting run over here. Across the road. Now we're getting down towards real busy. Probably just take this and just go real fast through there. Everybody wants to be on film today. Howdy. Boy, they're busy today. This time of day, it's best to cross at the light. There is an opening right over there. The truck's in the way. See right there? Little itty bitty opening. A lot of times I'll go and run right through there, but not this time of day, I'm not gonna. Take your life in your own hands going across there right now. Oh, somebody's got some meat cooking. Smells great. It's like I can taste it right now. Right there is where we're going. Okay, I'm gonna shut you down for a little while because I gotta cross all this over here, and I don't want to be vlogging through there, because if I do, there's a good chance that I'll get run over. I don't like that. After the bank and having a fistful of money, I love to go my favorite store, Home Depot. Checking out all the good tools. Just went past screwdrivers, electrical. Here's the emergency supplies. And now we're into the Husky tools, sockets,
all sorts of great things.
I decided after the bank I might as well treat myself and get some Husky, a Husky 12-inch tool bag. I got that for under $8. Woohoo! What a great deal. Now I gotta wait for the garbage truck. He's gonna go one of these days. See you later. See? Think green. I was such a nice guy. Always nice to be nice. Now I'm gonna wait for the stoplight. Oh, because we got the green, but I guess the walk sign's already gone. Goodbye, walk sign. Woohoo! Well, I guess I can take this mask off now. Yeah, we're done with the bank. Santa's sleigh will ride again. And we got good light. And you know what else I found out? You don't want to go and poke your camera in the wrong, put it in your pocket after you've been walking, because my pocket was all sweaty. So needless to say, there was a lot of moisture on the camera. Woo! Should I go do some grocery shopping too? Uncle Bill likes to kill all his birds with one stone. I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping here for bananas, and then up at the other store for the peppers. And if I can get good peppers over at this store, I will get peppers at this store.
Across Route 75 at Saturn.
All of the sound from being in the Home Depot is gonna have to be deleted. Well, there you have it, nieces and nephews. A good walk, good exercise, and a beautiful Southern California day. Couldn't think of a better way to get exercise than to come out here and go do my errands. Fun times, eh? Thanks for joining me.